yourself and others.
In order to maintain a good travel environment, please avoid disturbing other passengers with conversations or electronic products such as mobile phones, iPads, and computers. Please avoid eating smelly foods. Please do not take off your shoes. Lie down or put your feet on the back of the seat in front of you or the wall. Please take care of the washroom facilities. Flush the toilet immediately after use, and do not throw any articles, including tissue, into the toilet. Do not damage the tray facilities by putting heavy items on the tray table behind.
女士们、先生们，欢迎您请注意核对车次并对号入座，将随身或大件行李出。列车马上就要开车了，非本次列车的旅客请及时下车，以免给您的出行